In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own customized GPT, and you're going to walk away with a potential lead capture form for your business or simply an assistant that's going to help you every single day without having to retrain ChatGPT. Now, I want to let you know that you actually do have to have the paid version. So if you want to create your own GPT like this one, you do need to have the paid version. Here's little differences between the two if you want to check it out, but you can create your own custom GPTs here. You cannot do that with the free version. So it's 20 bucks a month. You can decide that if that's for you. So if you want to create your own custom GPT like I have, it's very simple. Once you've paid, you go to the GPTs, you hit create, then you get to a screen like this, and it's like, what do you want to make? So for this one, I'm going to show you just a brief example. I'm actually creating a GPT in front of my YouTube audience, and I want them to see what it's like to create a GPT and the different features that they'll have so that they can go do it on their own. We'll let this pop up, and we'll show you what's going to happen here. It's updating the GPT with my instructions. It's probably going to ask me if I want to name it something based on whatever it thinks it is. GPT Guide Builder. Sounds good. You could say that's good. It automatically kind of builds these prompts for you. So if you go to the configure side, this is where you actually are building everything out. So you want to name it. If I go back here and say, sure, let's name it that. It should change on the configure side now with the name. It should also show up over here, I believe. Oh, and it's even going to generate a profile picture for this for me. So look, there's the digital guy. That's pretty cool. It's calling it the GPT Guide Builder. We come back over here, and now it's named this. This GPT is designed to walk users through the process of creating their own custom GPTs. You guys can read, but it's just putting all this out. And then it gives you some conversation starters. Once you publish this GPT, you can actually just click the button. If you don't like one of these conversation starters, you can delete it, right? And it'll actually just remove it. And then, of course, you can add your own testing. So now testing showing up. This will show up on the back end of the GPT. I created this GPT essentially as like a mastermind to get advice for certain things. So I'll show you what this growth filter GPT does real quick for my coaching organization, coaching business. But let's just say I'm struggling with an employee who I should have fired months ago, but I don't know how to have the conversation with them. And it'll give me advice based on everything that I've put in. Now, there are some copyright things. So I had originally asked this GPT. If we go to the back end, you could actually see it. But I've originally asked this GPT to give me the advice of the best leaders, and I used specific leaders, and it wouldn't let me publish it because there's copyright things. So I had to say, give me advice like XYZ leader. So you can see this just spits out everything that I want it to spit out based on the information I put on the back end. So these GPTs are pretty cool. Now, how could you use this to get leads for your business? If you go to the GPTs and you go to my GPTs, let's go to this one, edit. So I can click the share button. Anyone with the link can use it. I can copy that link. Then I could go out on social media and say like, hey, I've got guides from the best business and philosophers out there. And if you guys want a simple and easy way to get advice in your business world, simply, type this or go to this page and I'll send you the link. And you can actually share that link with them so then they can use it. All right, so was this helpful for you? I hope it was. If you guys have questions, put them in the comments below. I'd love to answer any questions you have. If you want me to do a more in-depth guide on this, I'm happy to do that as well. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for future videos similar to this.